Good morning, all of the teachers, judges, and all of my friends. I am Arush Jamadade from Real Academy 8th Standard, Branch Cursor. Today I am going to talk something about Archimedes Principles. First, we will take an introduction about Archimedes. Archimedes was a Greek scientist and a mathematician with a sharp knowledge, and he found out the value of pi by numerical calculations. His knowledge of levers, pulleys, wheels in physics helped Greek army to fight against the Roman army. He became famous due to this work in geometry and mechanics. Now we will talk about Archimedes principles. The principles when an object is partially or fully immersed in a fluid, a buoyant force acts on it in upward directions is equal to the weight of the object. Then we will talk about Archimedes principles uses. These principles has been used for years to construct ships and submarines, and the instruments for these experiments is lactometer and hydrometer. And now we will do a little experiment on Archimedes principle, that how the experiment was. So we are here a beaker and a weight. Now we will take the weight and immerse it in the water. It is fully immersed in water now, so we will take out it. Okay. Now the water is dispensed out is the weight of the object. Now we will take a weighing scale. Now we will weigh the water. 87.81 grams. It is the weight of the object. Thank you.